All right, hi Matthew. Just thought I'd give you a more complete explanation if you're curious. Sorry that it got you so stuck. But anyways, you take out a GCF of x, so you lower all the exponents by 1. Okay, and then this is a trinomial, and we're going to try to split that into two binomials. So we'll still have this x out front come down, and then to make this x squared, we're going to take x and x, and then we got to find a pair of numbers that multiply to -18, but add up to -3. So if they multiply to negative, we know there must be one positive and one negative. And then just list pairs like 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and I think that's it. So the pair that'll give us -3 is if we do -6 and +3. All right, so that's it. That's all broken apart. So it should be, I guess it might be a different letter for you, but that was what the right answer would be. Obviously, you got the reverse, that'd be the same thing. So if you have x times x plus 3 times x minus 6, that's the same thing. You just have to rearrange the order to get the right multiple choice one. Another one, if you're really panicked, like on the ACT or something, you could always try multiplying these all together to see if you get what you started with. That'd be another way you could kind of work backwards. But anyways, hopefully that clears it up. Obviously, please don't share this because not everyone's done with the test, but I thought I'd give you a little bit of help with it. All right, thanks for watching.